Hello everyone, welcome to part 156 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 8. So we are going to continue working on the shipping module that we have started in last few videos, and we able to finish the simple shipping module so far. Like I have explained you in the last few videos, that simple we are just taking the countries, and here see in admin panel, if we will go in shipping charges module, you can see we are just working on country wise shipping charges we are adding. Here you can see that we have added the shipping charges for all the countries. By default we have added the INR 100 for all the countries, and we can update anytime if we want. Like Afghanistan, if we want 200 shipping charges, then we can update to 200. So we are maintaining country-wise shipping charges in simple shipping charges module, and we are integrating the same at front end as well. Okay, that I have already shown you that in front end we able to get the shipping charges in checkout page. Okay, if you will see in checkout page, we able to get those shipping charges in checkout page as well. We able to apply those shipping charges in checkout page. See, there are two products added, and go to next. If you will select the India, then the charges will be 100, and if you will select the Australia, then charges will be 500. Okay, but now we are going to work on the advanced shipping charges module, in which we are going to calculate shipping weight wise. Okay, so why we are going to do this weight wise shipping charges, I want to tell you once again. Like I have told you earlier as well, that in advanced way we are going to work with the countries as well as the products weight. Okay, so what will happen, like in simple way, like if we have added the two products, shipping charges for India is 100, and if we have added 10 products, then again the shipping charges for India is 100. So that is not correct. Okay, and see here, shipping charges for one product is 100. Okay, and shipping charges for 10 products is also 100. So that is not correct at all. Okay, see, both the cases, even if the product is 1, even if the product is 10, we are taking 100 rupees from the customer, but that is not correct. Shipping partner will not take 10 products. See, one product, assume the weight will be like 100 gram. Okay, just assume, because the shipping partner will take the weight. He is not interested that how many products are there, how many t-shirts are there in this pack. They are not involved in this. They will just take the t-shirt from you and just simply do the from the weight machine, simply put that on the weight machine to check the weight of that t-shirt. Okay, so one product assume 100 gram, and then see how much it is, right? 1 kg. Okay, assume 1 kg, so both rate are INR 100. This is wrong. Okay, so for that we are going to do the shipping charges in the advanced way to resolve this issue. See, still you can do the simple way. If you have limited number of products, if you are selling just 1-2 products, and you know you are not going to sell more than the 2 products, then it's okay. You can do the simple way. All over the world you can just calculate the shipping charges according to the country. No weight is required, but here weight of the product is required, and we are going to calculate the weight wise shipping charges. So how we can calculate? See here, in simple way we are taking the all the weight, like 0 to unlimited gram. Okay, we can say 0 to 10,000 gram. We are taking the INR 100, means everything, means all will come here. Okay, all grams. Okay, 0 to unlimited gram. I have done 10,000 gram. Okay, no issue. But here we will do like this. See here, 0 to 500 gram. there will be INR 100, and then 501 gram to 1000 gram. I will do like this, to 1000 gram. Then the price is INR 200. Okay, then 1000 gram to we can say 2000 gram. Here we will pick like 1001 gram to 2000 gram. Here the price will be INR 300. Okay, 2001 gram to we can pick like 5000 gram. Price will be INR 400. Okay, so above 5000 gram, this you will calculate as per your own requirement. Okay, above 5000 gram, weight will be like INR 500. Okay, so here it is clear to you, like we are doing the weight wise shipping charges, in which shipping charges vary with every weight. And here see, if we will apply this one instead of this one, then here 1 kg weight will be price will be 200 instead of 100. The price will be 200, and that is correct. Okay, so I hope now you able to understand why we are doing advanced way, why we are doing the real. This is the real scenario used everywhere across the world, even the Amazon. Okay, so every big company using this scenario. This is the only way in which we are going to calculate shipping charges for the e-commerce website. Okay, so let's continue. Let's now in this process we are going to update our shipping charges columns. Here all the columns will come up, and here also all the columns will come up. But before that, we are going to update the shipping underscore charges structure. We are going to update. We are going to remove this common shipping charges column, and we are going to add the weight wise shipping charges. Okay, so everything we are going to do with migration. In basic e-commerce series, we are doing from here only, from the database. But in advanced e-com series, we are using the advanced way. So we are going to update everything with migration. We are going to remove the shipping underscore charges table. We are going to, sorry, shipping underscore charges column. We are going to drop this column from this table with migration, and we are going to add new columns in shipping underscore charges table with migration itself. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I am going to run one migration command. So for that, I am going to run here one git bash here, new terminal at folder, and here I am going to run that php artisan make migration. I'm going to drop the column from shipping underscore charges table. Okay, so we have the migration file. Now we will open drop column, and here we are going to drop it, and there is the statement syntax that we want to add: $table drop column. Okay, drop column, we write to drop this column. And which column we want to drop? We want to drop the shipping underscore charges column from shipping underscore charges table. Okay, simple enough. We will add this code, and then we are going to execute php artisan migrate command. So let's see the changes have been done. Drop column from shipping underscore charges table queries have been executed, and now we are going to check. I'm going to refresh this one, click on structure, and you can see the shipping underscore charges column has been gone away. Okay, so from shipping underscore charges table, shipping underscore charges column has been removed, and now we are going to add the few columns. Okay, what are the few columns that we want to add? what are the few columns that we want to add, and those columns are the newly added that I'm showing here, like for 0 to 500 gram. We will create one column like this one, 0 to 500 gram, that will have the shipping charges if the weight of the product is from 0 gram to 500 gram. Okay, it will carry the shipping charges of this much weight. So now after that I will add the column 501 to 1000 gram like this. Then after that we're going to add, sorry, where it gone away, I don't know what is happening. No show, I'm going to write once again, 0 to 500 gram, 501 gram to 1000 gram, and this one 1001 gram to 2000 gram. Now 2001 gram to 5000 gram, and the last one above 5000 gram. These are the columns that we want to add. So yeah, first of all we will run the migration command once again. And now see, this time we want to run the migration command, php artisan migration, make migration. Now we will add columns to shipping underscore charges tables. Okay, so this time add columns to shipping underscore charges table. Okay, so this is the migration command that we have run. Now we will open add columns to shipping underscore charges table. Now we are going to add the new columns that we want to add, like dollar table. We want to add the string data type for, we have already added, see this one, 0 underscore 500 gram, and that we want to add, we will add after country. So here we will add after country. See, if you are not that much aware of the migration, all these commands, we have done the migration series that we have done few years back, and you can learn Laravel migration. You will learn that how to add the columns with migration, how to remove the columns with migration, okay, and much more. So do follow that Laravel migration series. You can go to my channel, youtube.com stack developers /stack developers. Okay, so you can search in that migration, then you will get those videos as well. Okay, so here after this one, so I'm going to do like this, 1 2 3 4 5, it will save my time. Now I'm going to do all, I'm going to add from here one by one. I'm going to add all like this one. Here first I'm going to add like this. Okay, then I'm going to okay, so these are the columns that I want to add. Now see, 0 500 gram I want to add after country. So here it will come like this. So see here, this column I want to add after 0 underscore 500 gram. 1000 gram column I want to add after 501 gram, and then 2000 column I want to add after 1000 gram, and above 5000 column I want to add after this 2000 gram. Okay, so we can add these columns to the table. Okay, so I want to tell you once that if you are not that much comfortable with this migration command, you can simply add the new columns from here, from the database itself. Okay, you know that how to add the columns from database in database, okay, in your table. That you can also do, but I prefer that you must use the migration command as well. because I don't know that you are a student or you are working in some company. Suppose this database is not available. Okay, so in many cases it happens in real projects. Okay, client has that server that does not support the database. Okay, or they will not give you the database. See, big companies don't do that, don't give the database to the developers. Okay, so in that time these migration commands, they will ask you to use these migration commands. Okay, so at that time what you will do, you need to do all these migration command. Okay, and if you have done now, then it will be really easier for you at that time. Okay, then you will remember me. Okay, okay, so we can continue with this migration, and now I want to run the migration once again, php artisan migrate, so that newly added so that these new columns have been created. Okay, php artisan migrate. So see, this query is executed successfully. I will go to structure, and here you can see our new columns have been added. Okay, so I want to make some changes here. There is no need to, I want to roll back. Okay, now I want to roll back. Okay, so see, I don't want here gram. Okay, so 501 gram, 1000 gram, like this I don't want. Okay, so I will try to roll back. So I will roll back here. We'll use the command php artisan migrate rollback. Okay, done. Still it is not working. Actually, see, I want to remove this. We will make it like this. Okay, so now see, no change, but it is showing add columns, drop columns. Okay, no issue. What we can do, we can again run these one. I'm going to remove these columns from here. Okay, so I'm going to remove drop. Yes. Okay, so now I want to run that php artisan migrate command once again. So let's see. So okay, can't drop column, shipping and charges, check. Okay, so I'm going to check. Can't drop column, shipping and charges, check if that alternative shipment drop charges. Okay, drop column, it happens sometimes. Okay, so here I want to see that what we can do to resolve this issue. Can't drop column, shipment charges, check that if it exists. Okay, so it is saying that the earlier command. Okay, so it is asking that shipping and charge is stable. Okay, so what we can do, we can remove this one now, drop column from shipping and charges table, and we can open the econ, then go to database, then go to migration and drop column, and I will do like this, sort by date added, and here this is the drop, seems to be this one. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one, this file I'm going to remove. Okay, so now I'm going to run once again, and let's see. php artisan migrate, now it is fine, so only this will run now. See, now this time it seems to be fine. Okay, 0 underscore 500 gram, 501 underscore 1000 gram, 1001 underscore 2000 gram, 2001 underscore 5000 gram, and above underscore 5000 gram. Okay, so now it is fine. See, these are not required. Okay, so we can make it like this, and now it seems to be fine. We able to update the table. Okay, so now we are going to make changes here in our shipping underscore charges table. Okay, so the error is coming because it is having shipping underscore charges table. I'm going to open that shipping underscore charges, view shipping underscore charges, and here we are going to now add the column weight wise columns. Okay, we will not add the this common one we are going to remove 0 gram to 500 gram like this. Okay, we are going to add it like this, then 501 gram to 1000 gram, 1001 gram to 2000 gram, 2001 gram to 5000 gram, above 5000 gram. Okay, so here also we will take all the newly added columns here, like 0 underscore 500 gram, and we'll do like this, and one by one we will add all the columns. Now we are going to refresh, and here you can see this one is coming and INR is coming because here we are having no data, still it is having the no value is there. So what we can do, we can assign the 0 value to all, and we can do one thing. We can instead of varchar we must add that integer or floating value. Okay, so once again I'm not going to do that, but still there are mistakes that I have made. See, here must be the float. Okay, so here must be the float. So we can do one thing here. Okay, so we will do from here this time because it will take time. Otherwise we will remove this this one, and we will remove these columns as well. Then we can simply run it again. Okay, so even we can do that. Okay, let's see, let's do it. No issue. See, drop, yes. Okay, so I'm going to convert them to integer, float. Okay, float like this, and now I want to run once again. Let's see if some issue comes. Let's always nothing to migrate is coming. Okay, so nothing to migrate is coming because it was already executed. So I will go to the migrations and delete this one, the last one, add columns to shipping charges. Let's see we able to do it now or not. And operations, I'm going to make it the last one, 24. Okay, 24 it is, and still okay, fine. Now I'm going to run once again. So let's see we able to do. Yes, we able to do this time. So we are going to check once again, and here we will go to shipping charges table. So now it is seems to be fine. Okay, double it is fine. It is similar to float, and you can see the values here. It is 0.00, that is perfect. And here also you can see the INR 0 in all the columns. Okay, so we have many ways to do the similar kind of thing, and you can make the things correct if you will make some efforts. Okay, so always try your best, always do something that can resolve your issues. Okay, so you need to try again and again to get the things done. So now we are going to work on the edit. Okay, edit as well. We are going to show all the columns. We will remove this common shipping and charges column, and we'll add all these columns here as well. So we are going to update edit underscore shipping charges. This one we are going to update. Okay, so instead of shipping underscore charges, we are going to add here, we will do like the shipping charges 0 to like 500 gram. Okay, so this one we will add, and here for this one we are going to add it like this 0 500 gram. All we are going to update. We can do it like this here also, and we can check here like this. Okay, so similar can close this one. Okay, we are going to repeat the row 4 more times. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so here we are going to make it 501 gram to 1000 gram like this. It is not 501 gram, it is like 501, this one, and we are going to replace all like this. And okay, so now it is 1000 to 1001 2000 like this. Now this time 2001 to 5000 gram. Finally, one more we want to add. We will do like this so that no issue will come here. This time it must be above 5000 gram. Okay, so now we are going to check here. It seems to be fine. Okay, so there are twice we will remove, I think yeah, not this one. So now we will add like 100 200 300 400 500, but here still work is left. We need to update in shipping controller. We need to update here edit shipping charges. Here we need to add those columns. Okay, so these one we need to update here as well. So we will quickly update these as well. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so let's update. Done. Now we can try submit, click, and you can see it's updated. Okay, the prices are updated here, and you can check here as well, the prices are updated. Okay, so you can try this one. And here also we can remove the gram here like this, so that it will consume less space, and we can do it like this. Okay, so that less space will consume, and it will show yeah, now it seems to be fine, and we can still like remove space. Okay, now it looks better, and you can see that we can update the prices of all the countries here, and here as well. India, we can add the prices like this for India. okay, for every gram, like for 0 to 500 gram, like I have explained you here, we have added the 100 rupees, and for 500 gram to 1200, then 300, 400, 500, like this, and still it has been updated. You can see okay, so the changes here as well. Okay, so now you can see that we be able to update the shipping charge according to weight wise of the product, and we are also having the product weight as well. If you have seen in add product, we have already added the weight. Okay, so we have the weight for every product, see, and we will add the weight for every product. Okay, like 100 for this one and 200 for the another one. We will add the weight for all the product, like 100 for this one as well, because these are t-shirts. Okay, so like this we are going to add the weight for all the products, and this weight, from this weight we are going to calculate the shipping charges. We will pick this weight, we will sum up this weight, and then we will check the country, and like if these are two products added. Okay, like I have shown you these two products added, now its weight is 200 gram, so 200 gram shipping for 200 gram is, we are going to calculate the shipping for 200 gram in India, and that is still we are going to check. See, shipping for 200 gram, 200 gram comes between 0 to 500 gram, it is 100. Okay, so that is fine. And if the weight is more, suppose their weight, we are going to add the weight, like if I will add 300 gram for this one, and 400 gram for this one. Okay, then the total weight is 400 plus 300, that is 700. And in this case the shipping charges will be, that is so we are going to calculate the shipping charges. Go here and then see shipping charges for 700 gram, that will be 200 INR. So instead of 100, here it will come 200 INR. Okay, so this thing we are going to integrate in next video. We are going to integrate at checkout page, so that it will calculate the right shipping charges for the right weight. Okay, so stay tuned for that. And also if there is any issue you are finding, you can surely contact me. Do subscribe my channel, and do join the channel if you want to have the code as well. Okay, you will have the personal support from me if you will join the channel. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.